Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Companion TV. I'm Jenna Edwards, and this is a recipe demo of baked ricotta, or ricotta al forno, from Stanley Tucci's series, Searching for Italy, where he travels to various regions of Italy, highlighting their specialty foods and history. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's get right to it. Baked ricotta is a traditional street food in Palermo, where ricotta is ridiculously fresh. I think it's usually baked in wood or brick ovens. Essentially, it's baked with real fire, so you get more of a smoky essence and maybe even a char here and there. I'm trying this in my oven, so we'll see what we get. I bought a little 12-ounce basket of the best ricotta I could find and drained it for a few hours to get any extra liquid whey out. It's already pretty thick, but just to make sure, I stirred it and let it sit to dry out. In Sicily, you can get them with various herbs or flavors. So I've got a few traditional ones here and a couple non-traditional ones. Also, they'd spread the ricotta onto a baking sheet or something like that and bake it that way, and then cut off little squares for you to eat while, walking around enjoying the beautiful city. Because I'm experimenting with multiple flavors, I'm putting mine in a muffin tin using 3 tablespoons of ricotta. I'm first doing a traditional orange marmalade. You brush that on the top, and then you sprinkle on a generous sprinkle of crushed pistachio. This one tastes really good, like a rich treat. Next up is herbs. We have a pinch or 2 of dried thyme, which I'll mix into the ricotta, and also sprinkle more on the top like a crust. Next up is black garlic. Not at all traditional, but we found black garlic in the grocery store here. We've been trying to play around with it, so I thought, why not? Let's try it here. Well, because it's strong and intense, it really doesn't work with ricotta. This one was a fail. I did another one with just lemon zest, which worked out, and another one with paprika as an experiment. They now bake for an hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. They should harden and become more compact and dried out, so you can eat this as an antipasto or even in a sandwich. Mine got a little rubbery. They develop a skin on top. I did not love this texture. The photos I've seen online and from what I can see on the show, it looks like a thick little cake that maintains that ricotta velvetyness, but it's baked together and dried out. So I'm not thrilled with this texture. It could be the ricotta, it could be the muffin tin, it could be that it's like an electric or gas oven instead of wood. I could try it on the grill the next time I get fired up, or I just go to Sicily and enjoy it there. Out of all the flavors, the orange marmalade and the pistachio was the best. I ended up eating the herbed and lemon zest ones with crackers as a snack. So I tried something on TV. There's literally just one recipe online for this at mangiamagna.com. Now, my Sicilian friend told me it's also called Tricotta. So if you're Sicilian and you have any tips or would like to film a video to teach us how to do this, please comment below. If you want to try for yourself, the measurements are at cookingcompaniontv.com/baked ricotta. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards, and thanks for watching.